Hi all. Today we're bringing a very useful topic on ExpressRight screen. It is very depressing, but it is a true fact that a lot of women and teenage girls feel afraid when they're walking on the street alone at night. All you have to do is ask around and realize how much people are fed up with walking home and clutching the fingers between their fingers. To make you guys feel safer, we welcome Siri Harish and Shreya Harish are here to talk about amazing self-defense techniques, tips to protect yourself.
Hi everyone, this is Siri.
And I'm Shreya.
This video is about something very important, especially for kids and for women.
Today we will be talking about self-defense.
Unfortunately, there are many bad people in this world, and they will sometimes do anything for others to get hurt. But hopefully, this video will show you how you can protect yourself from these people.
From head throws to punches, this video will help you in such cases.
So let's start. This first technique can be used when someone grabs a hold of you from behind, like so. What you want to do is squat, elbow, elbow, and then reach down and pull their leg up, causing them to lose balance. Now, you have the opportunity to run away.
Another situation you might find yourself in is they might grab onto your hair. All you have to do is grab their hands and twist, causing them to let go. Then you can punch or kick them, or you can go and tell a trusted adult what happened.
Let's say they grab your wrist. Right now, they are in control. However, you want to be in control of what happens. So, take your other hand and place it on top of theirs. Now, swing your hand like this and grab their wrist tightly. Finally, push them to the ground. You can even kick them if you want to, but run away as fast as possible.
Another case is where they grab from behind and actually pick you up. What you want to do is wrap both of your legs around the back of their knees tightly so that it will be harder for them to walk and will be forced to let go. Then you can run away.
For the last technique, I'm going to let you in on a little secret. Ready? Come closer. The most powerful defense ever is your voice. Sometimes you may not be able to use it, but whenever possible, scream as hard and loud as you can. This will alert nearby people that could help you. Try to yell for help as much as possible.
Also, try to prevent yourself from getting into such troubles too. If you can tell that some stranger is following you, try to go to a public place with cameras and adults, like a Starbucks cafe or Walmart.
You should never, ever walk alone. Always go out with at least one responsible adult and a group of friends. Don't listen to your phone with earbuds in, because you won't be able to hear what is happening if someone tries to sneak up on you. Pay close attention to your surroundings at all times.
Hopefully, you won't have to use any of these techniques in your life, but it's better to learn them anyway, just in case something bad does happen.
We hope you learned a lot from our video and that you'll stay safe.
Be sure to like, share, and subscribe to ExpressRight for more videos.
Bye for now!
Hey, Siri and Shreya. After looking at your amazing demonstration, I feel like these tips will be useful to every human being, unless they live on top of a mountain. Otherwise, we have to deal with people almost every day. You never know when a violent fellow will cross your path or a pretty thief is eyeballing your bag. There are dangers lurking on every shadow you can encounter in an unpleasant situation. After every corner, being prepared allows you to handle any situation without requiring any assistance. Keep in check and stay tuned to ExpressRight.